today we're gonna see what's in the fridge. Great. About nothing. Oh, chicky. Stealing my mum's dinner. Why is the clock? Doesn't matter. Get you look at my hair. My brother's playing the stupid Fortnite again. He loves it. Comment down below if you like Fortnite. I hate Fortnite. I don't even know how to play it. Do you like my hair? Even though I already said that, I don't care. One more time. Do you like my hair? My brother's been building, so it's all over the floor. Yes. Where is he?
Why are you filming?
Sorry. Sorry about that. I didn't really want to see the video of him on YouTube. Because this is a video. So let's go. Sun's out. Guns out. See what's in the fridge. Shut up. What is this orange juice? I'll get some. I love orange juice. Sorry if I'm a bit weird. Stealing my mum's chicken. Sorry guys, I'm just putting the camera down so I'm going to get a drink from out of the fridge. Goodbye. It's on 356 now. Guys, I'm back. Do you like my t-shirt?